Credit Karma Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Links to Credit Karma and download options are in the description. Today, we're diving into Credit Karma, an app that has evolved from just credit monitoring to a full-fledged budgeting tool. While Credit Karma is best known for offering free credit scores, it also provides powerful budgeting features that help users manage their finances and track their spending, all in one place. Credit Karma automatically connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and loans, offering a detailed view of your finances. The app categorizes your spending and helps you identify areas where you might be overspending. It gives you real-time updates, so you're always in the know about where your money is going. For users who want to build a budget, Credit Karma provides customizable budgeting categories. You can set goals and track your progress toward them, whether it's saving for a vacation or paying off debt. One of the standout features of Credit Karma is its credit score tracking. It provides free access to both your Vantage score and TransUnion score, along with insights into the factors that are affecting it. This makes it an excellent tool not just for budgeting, but for anyone looking to improve their credit. The app also gives tips on how to boost your score and monitor changes over time, which is incredibly valuable if you're preparing for big financial decisions like buying a home or car. Credit Karma also offers bill tracking and payment reminders, so you can stay on top of your due dates and avoid late fees. You'll get notifications when a payment is coming up, which helps you stay organized. Additionally, the app provides personalized recommendations for financial products like credit cards, loans, and savings accounts, which can be helpful for anyone looking to improve their financial health. In conclusion, Credit Karma is a solid, all-in-one budgeting and credit monitoring app. It's ideal for individuals who want to manage their finances while also keeping an eye on their credit score. Check out the links in the description for more details.